One day, Thomas was shunting hoppers. He didn't even couple them. Oh wait, no he did. And he set off on the way to the village. But wait, his driver switches the points. There, said his driver. Let's go back to our engine. And Thomas made his way to the village. A day after, and Thomas was puffing busily into the village. He felt very proud. And he later came to shunt more hoppers. There. This should be enough for the village and its poor supplies. Said his driver. Thomas went into the village but didn't brake in time, and he was about to fall into the water. Oh dear, said Thomas. The hoppers were off the rails. Later, a diesel came to rescue Thomas. There he is, said the diesel. Time for rescuing. The diesel was later coupled up to Thomas, and he tried with all his might to pull him out. But he wouldn't move. The diesel later hit a bump, and they both came off the rails. Oh dear, said Thomas, what are we going to do?